Hello traders. Today we're taking a look at the Forex Profit Boost Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how this trading tool presents its information on the chart, what its visual elements imply about potential market setups, and how it is positioned within a broader Forex strategy. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, the Forex Profit Boost Indicator is presented as a chart overlay that combines directional cues with additional contextual information about the current market environment. It acts as a moving average and Bollinger Band, showing the direction of the market trend with color changes to easily identify the movement. When the indicator plots the overlay above the price and slightly on the price or the top of the price indicates a bearish momentum, as you can see where the cursor is pointing with the red bars. And when it shows yellow, it indicates transitioning or weakening momentum. And when it changes to blue and goes under the price or plots under the price, it indicates a bullish momentum, as you can see on the chart. Now, these visual markers on or around price bars highlight conditions that the underlying algorithm of the indicator classifies as favorable or unfavorable according to its internal rules. The layout is designed to reduce the need for multiple separate indicators by presenting key information in a single integrated display, and traders can monitor directly from one chart. As I mentioned earlier, it acts as a moving average. So let's move over to its input to see its parameters. We have the MA period, moving average period, and the moving average method, which affects the sensitivity of the indicator. We have the AVG filter and the Bollinger Band period deviation and shift. We also have the colors of the bar and the transition phase and the width and thickness of the indicator. Now, who is it for? The Forex Profit Boost Indicator is aimed at traders who want a structured indicator package that consolidates various analytical elements into one on-chart view. You can suit those who prefer a guided framework over building their own multi-indicator combinations, but still want to retain discretion over final trade decisions. This tool is analytical only and does not place or manage trades automatically. Like other system style indicators, its effectiveness depends on the user's understanding and discipline, and it can still produce unhelpful or late cues in rapidly changing or range-bound markets. So it should be integrated with independent analysis and robust money management rather than used in isolation. You can find the Learn More link and the indicator download in the description below for the Forex Profits Boost Indicator for MT4. You can also read the detailed review and explore related tools on the Forex Geek website. If you're interested in more system style indicators and structured chart overlays, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.